So the video cut off, not really sure why. We're gonna finish up those pulses, and we're gonna start with the popliteal. So we'll do right behind the knee for 30 seconds as well. That's the easiest one to get because it's so strong. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the posterior tibial. So it's gonna be right, let me make sure you can see right on the ankle there. There we go. And lastly, we're going to do the dorsalis pedal. So it's going to be right on top, right there. So for each 30 seconds, I was getting between 34 and 36, which would put her pulse rate between 68 and 72, which is normal. So we didn't count for a full minute on any.